Hello, everyone. Hoping that you all are doing good and great in this lockdown period. I'm moving on with my exercises part 2. So, we are catching up with animal walks, some stretches, and ball play in a different way, and cross leg activities as a part of brain gym activities. So, animal walks are basically I have done those suggested by their therapist, like bear walk, crab walk, spider walk, and snail kind of thing. My intention is that they should be getting more of deep pressure activities. So, and then we did some stretches. This all these activities from second activity to till fourth and fifth activity, these are all my own activities. I have not taken any suggestion from anyone. These are all my own activities. We are doing some stretches, and I have covered a bilateral concept using where they are going to use both their hands. And then activity for the leg movements, because my elder son has got a bit that I observed actually. He has got a bit difficulty in moving his leg in the front position. Like even while kicking the ball, he first takes the ball back and then he kicks. But when while kicking it in a front way, the force is not that very much. Whatever the force wanted is required there actually. So, and then I have tried up doing some gym ball exercises for the leg movements, and then exercise doing along with a chair that can be easily done at home. So that's why I have covered up that one. And ball play activity in a different way. I have made it more interesting and a bit challenging for them, wherein they are going to give and take the ball from both the sides, right and left. And then cross leg and hand activities we have done as a part of brain gym. My Both my kids, as they are both are special needs kids, and then having some motor problems also, it wasn't that very much interesting for them. But if you involve any NT kids who are siblings at home, that will be much better for your kids. And then all in all, these activities are going to be a good energy drain session for kids, covering around 40 to 45 minutes, depending upon the जितना आप उनको वो दोगे, लाइक काउंट्स. मेरे बच्चे अभी अराउंड 10 to 20 काउंट्स करते हैं एक एक एक्सरसाइज. तो दोनों का मिला के इट्स 40-45 मिनट्स का हो जाता है सेशन. तो आपके बच्चों का आप देख लीजिए. जितना हो सकता है उतना मैंने कवर अप किया है इसमें. फर्दर आई विल कम अप विथ मोर एक्टिविटीज. थैंक यू. गो लाइक अ बियर्ड. टेक द ग्रीन कलर. Pick up green color. Green, yes. Come like a crab. Yes. Very good. Yes. Frog. Jump like a frog. Frog, frog, frog. Good job, good job. Frog, frog, frog. Turn, turn. Frog will take the turn. Chalo. Jump like a frog. Pranav is a frog. Frog, frog, frog. Super. Chalo. Move, Shang, move. Move. Yes, you're swimming on the floor. Move. Pranav, पिल्लो को टम्मी के नीचे ले लो. That will be easy for you. Yes. Wait, Mama will help you. Shashank, turn. Come back. Swim, swim. Yes. Swim, swim, swim like a crocodile. Yes. Yes, crocodiles. Come, come, come. Come, come, come. Good job, Shashank. Move, move. Shashank, move. Come. Yes, you are enjoying this crocodile. Come. Super. 12, 13, 14. Focus. 15, 16, 17. Slow करो. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. This. Put it here. Yes. Take. Next. ऐसे नहीं. That. Good. Next. In this. Very good. Next. Again this box only. Okay. Next. हाथ नहीं लगाओगे. This. It's okay. It's okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job, boys. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly karo. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull. Good job. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. You're enjoying? Come. Very nice. Pick up next number now. Good. Go. You're enjoying. Nice. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go and fix. Pannu, pick up. Yes, shift. Dalo. Yes. Very good going, Shashank. Yes, good job, boys. Do it, do it, do it. Finish kar lo. Finish your stocks. Chalo, pick up, Pranav. Stretch. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch, touch. Stand straight. Okay. 8, this leg. 9, 10, 11, leg up. 12, 13, leg up. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18, this leg, 19, 20. Okay, now back leg करेंगे. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. अभी प्रणव शशांक को करवाएगा. ओके. 2. चलो, Mama will help a little bit. Okay. 3, 4, 5. 5. Pranav, this leg. 5. 6. 7, that leg. 7, 7, this leg, Pranav. हाँ करो. Okay. 8, this leg.
8.
9,
9.
हाँ. 10. Okay, good job. 4, 5, 5. Send baby. Good job. 6. Very nice. 7. हाँ, send Prano. Use both the hands. 8. Shashank, send. 9. Send. Send back, Shashank. 10. Send it back, Panu. देखो कहाँ लगने लगा है. Send. Good job. Send. Very nice. Good job, Shashank. Send it. Very good. Pranav, give the ball to Shashank. Take baby. Very good. Send. Send it to Anna Babu. Send. Yes, Pranav, take. Give the ball to Shashank. Yes. Send Shashank. Send. Good job. Send it. Send. Pranav, take. Stand in your place. Oh, take. Stand. Send it down. Shashank, take the ball. Focus. Take. Okay. Take the ball again this side. Yes. Should not drop. Take it properly. Down. Send it down. Shashank, focus. Take. Now Shashank will give the ball from this side. Take the ball from the other side. Yes. That's a good exercise. Chalo. Take. Shashank, pick up. Panu, stand. Stretch karo. Legs stretch. Stretch karo legs. Take it from this side. Take. Send it down again. Under the chair. Pick up the ball, Shashank. Attentive रहना है आपको. Next, stretch your legs, Pranav. Okay, take it from the other side now. Yes. Take. Chalo, down. Yes. Take, Shashank.